Technology firms plan for layoffs. For the past few months we are hearing news about the layoffs of international companies. Most famous Google, Microsoft, Amazon, etc. were in this layoff planning list. Already firms like Twitter, Meta, and Coinbase made layoffs in the last year 2022. These layoffs will highly impact the lives of the employees in engineering jobs. While these firms execute their layoff plans, most of the youngsters will suffer without jobs. Approximately more than 55,000 employees will lose their job from 154 tech companies this 2023. Monsters like Google's Sundar Pichai and Salesforce's Marc Benioff confirmed this through their messages. These layoffs are happening to reduce the financial expenses of these firms. For more information, visit us, www.worldmagazine.com.